that sound boy, calling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Bush from 90s to Canarsie. Some boy I go dead, some boy I go dead. Well, from East New York to New Locks, from Bell Parkway to JFK. Some boy I go dead, some boy I go dead, yeah. Yo, jump sound. Well, you don't know this is Command Man speaking. Hey, yo, jump that thing. Barry Rasta, speak it down. Regal, last and light. Hey, New York, Crown Heights, UK. Bomb up class, sound is done. That's in the street. Another trumpet sound. Just get the feet. Now to Jump
see them a cry, take like they run when they jump over the motherfucking wall. When the boss clean them, be Jesus Christ, them a call. We automatic weapon, them no each and them no start. But we not so them no smart. When we come to war, jump and split up. The killer, not killer. Them your killer, but we don't face the killer.
Some of them about so fine. Champion, you keep some one time. Gunshot in my head, see ya. Never expect to be the best of one. Jump, and we go kill them all the while. Oh, so you could have put up the kids and they go and not lying. Every time we get from the champion tonight. No, we champion. Fucking in the side of a bus, they make some gunshot, ear face, growling, spread them out. Chapali, loud evil, broad evil. That's awesome. Them not gonna do them neighbor. Virgin, she got finger. Never put in the fly, so I'm never just keep us in the light. Tell them, no boy can't box up on that joya. Walk to them boy, having a dress like a tire. Big pussy Maya, big cocky sick, Saya. Pussy tick, fire. Clap on the head, you might go flyer, higher. All if you say you're fryer.
Yeah, man. Hold it there. Jam. Give this gentleman your social security, your ID, your employee. You're hired. You are hired. Alright? You're hired. Right now, we don't know what time we are creep up to. We are creep up to the time when someone got dead. We don't take back no argument. But before we bring in Martin, I want the item to say we will set certain things straight.
Broken-hearted sovereign boy, toiling in the dank and soul. A disappointed sovereign boy who has no double plates at all.